2011 Passport with the front walk-around queen bed. Lots of storage. Dual sink. Counter space. The oven. Storage above. The microwave. Refrigerator, freezer. Booth dinette. More storage. AM/FM CD. TV. 2 bunks. Nice big storage. Tub. Sink. A flush toilet.